For any business, especially freelancers, consultants, and small service-based companies, getting paid is the ultimate goal. Once that payment hits your account, the next crucial step is to accurately record it in your accounting software. This isn't just about ticking a box. It's vital for maintaining accurate financial records, knowing your true cash flow, and ensuring your balance sheet is up to date. If you're using FreshBooks, a popular and user-friendly accounting solution, understanding how to mark an invoice as paid is a fundamental skill. As an accounting software expert, I can assure you that FreshBooks makes this process incredibly straightforward. It's designed to be intuitive, ensuring that even those new to accounting software can manage their payments effectively. Let's walk through the steps, along with some important considerations. The importance of marking invoices as paid. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly touch on the why. Why is it so important to mark an invoice as paid promptly and accurately? Accurate financial reporting. Your profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and cash flow reports all rely on accurate records of income. Marking an invoice as paid ensures these reports reflect your true financial standing. Cash flow management. Knowing exactly which invoices have been paid and which are still outstanding is critical for managing your cash flow. This helps you plan for expenses and understand your liquidity. Client relationship management. Keeping client accounts up to date prevents awkward conversations about supposedly unpaid invoices. It builds trust and professionalism. Tax preparation. When tax season rolls around, having meticulously recorded payments makes preparing your taxes significantly easier and less stressful. Future invoicing. If you issue recurring invoices or work on ongoing projects, accurate payment records help you track cycles and ensure you don't double bill or miss billing for services. Step by step, marking an invoice as paid in FreshBooks. FreshBooks offers a few ways to mark an invoice as paid, accommodating different scenarios. Here are the primary methods. Method 1. Recording a payment directly from the invoice. This is the most common and direct way to mark an invoice as paid once you've received the funds outside of FreshBooks' integrated payment gateways, e.g., a bank transfer, check, or cash. Navigate to the Invoices section. From your FreshBooks dashboard, click on Invoices in the left-hand navigation menu. This will take you to a list of all your invoices. Locate the invoice. Find the specific invoice you wish to mark as paid. You can use the search bar, filters, e.g., outstanding, or simply scroll through your list. Open the invoice. Click on the invoice number or the invoice itself to open its detailed view. Click Record a Payment. On the invoice's detailed page, you'll see a prominent button, usually near the top or bottom of the invoice, labeled Record a Payment or Add Payment. Click this button. Enter payment details. A pop-up window or section will appear, prompting you for payment details. Amount. FreshBooks will automatically populate this with the full outstanding balance of the invoice. If the client has made a partial payment, adjust this amount accordingly. FreshBooks will then show the remaining balance as due. Date paid. This is crucial. Enter the exact date you received the payment. This is important for accurate cash basis accounting and financial reporting. Payment method. Select how the client paid you, e.g., bank transfer, credit card, cash, check, PayPal, other. Notes. Optional, you can add any relevant notes here, such as a check number, transaction ID, or any specific details about the payment. Click Record Payment. Once all the details are accurate, click the Record Payment or Save Payment button. Immediately, FreshBooks will update the invoice's status from outstanding or due to paid or partially paid if only a portion was received. The invoice will also be timestamped with the payment date. Method 2. Payments received via FreshBooks Payments. If you've set up and enabled FreshBooks integrated payment gateways, like FreshBooks Payments powered by Stripe or PayPal Business Payments, the process is even simpler, often automatic. Client pays online. When your client clicks the Pay Now button on the invoice you sent them, via email or the client portal, and completes the payment through the integrated gateway. Automatic status update. FreshBooks will automatically detect the successful payment. The invoice status will change to paid in real time, and the payment will be recorded with all relevant transaction details: amount, date, payment method, transaction ID. Notifications. You will often receive an email notification from FreshBooks and the payment processor, confirming the successful payment. This automatic process significantly reduces your administrative burden and ensures that your records are always up to the minute. What if a client overpays or underpays? FreshBooks handles these scenarios gracefully. Underpayment, partial payment. If a client pays less than the full amount, you'll record the partial amount as described in Method 1. The invoice will then show a partially paid status and display the remaining outstanding balance. You can record subsequent payments against the same invoice until it's fully paid. Overpayment. If a client pays more than the invoice amount, rare, but it happens, FreshBooks allows you to record the full amount received. It will then give you the option to apply the excess as a credit to the client's account, which can be used against future invoices. This is a very useful feature for managing client balances. Best practices for payment recording. Record payments promptly. As soon as you receive a payment, record it in FreshBooks. This keeps your books accurate and helps with cash flow forecasting. Reconcile bank accounts. Regularly compare your FreshBooks payment records with your actual bank statements. This bank reconciliation process helps catch any discrepancies and ensures everything aligns. Communicate with clients. If a client makes a partial payment, or if there's any confusion, communicate clearly. The FreshBooks Client Portal can be a great tool for this. Utilize automation. If your business model allows, strongly consider enabling FreshBooks integrated online payment options. This is the most efficient way to manage incoming payments.